So students, now we have conjunctions and interjection. Before going to start this, I want to tell something about the articles. So students, we have two kinds of articles and used for the singulars, and the is used for the plural things. So let's start. These articles do not refer for any particular person, place or thing. They come before common nouns. Common nouns से पहले आते हैं. Their choice between a or an is determined by before a word beginning with the vowel sound. If there is a vowel sound and a singular, then we use an. Like if there is apple, we use an apple, एक सेब. When a boy, that is used for the common nouns or common things. As an enemy, an umbrella, an or h is silent, so we use or. And like that, honest, h is silent for so we put here an honest. All other consonant sounds, how many vowels sound? 5, a e i o u, and other ones are called consonant sounds. And with consonants, if there is a singular, then we use a, like a boy, a pen, a university, a book. Okay, after that, define article. The is used before a particular person, place or thing, like the banyan, it is the name of a tree. Okay, this also used with singular noun to represent the whole class. When we use this with the singular, then it means that it is represented the whole class. Okay, like the dog is a faithful animal, it means that here we are talking about all the dog community, that is called the dog is a faithful animal. इसका मतलब है ये एक ही जो कुत्ता है वो सारे अपने क्लास है जो उसकी, यानी कि पूरा उनका जो उनकी नस्ल है उसको हम लोग उसके लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं. द डॉग, इट मीन्स दैट ऑल डॉग्स. Okay, the rose is the most beautiful flower, like that. Okay, after that we have always used the with the plural forms, and also if we use it with singular, it means that we represented the whole class, and it is used for the particular person, place and things. So it's time to read something about the conjunction. What is conjunction? Rejoining words or a phrase or a sentences. A word which is used to join words or sentences is called conjunction. Like तुम ज़हीन हो लेकिन गरीब हो. There are the two conditions that are applied, and we join together these two different things. What we say, you are intelligent but poor. You are intelligent but poor. What is but? Conjunction, to join the words or a phrases or a sentences. Here are the kinds of conjunctions. First is coordinating conjunction, and there are the types of coordinating conjunctions, and also subordinating conjunction, means subordinating conjunction, and there are also many types of it. So here are the 4 types of coordinate conjunctions are: coordinating conjunction, join together class and equal rank. In equal rank में जिन classes को जोड़ा जाता है उसको हम coordinating conjunctions कहते हैं. There are the 4 types with the example. Cumulative conjunctions. What are cumulating conjunctions? These conjunctions merely add one statement another, as well as and both, and not only but also. These are the examples of cumulative. Like mathematics is boring but difficult. And difficult means दो चीज़ों को हमने इकट्ठा एक्सप्लोर कर दिया एक ही सेंटेंस में. मैथमेटिक्स इज बोरिंग एंड डिफिकल्ट. द वेदर इज हॉट सो वी प्लान टू गो स्विमिंग. ओके, टू कंडीशंस टुगेदर. Adversative conjunctions. These conjunction express contrast between two statements. दो statements के दरमियान में जब contrast आता है फिर हम use करते हैं. The first example is but. But is the one of the most accurate example of adversative conjunctions. Like I was angry but I kept quiet. Although I am a little afraid, however I would like to do it. Okay, like these are all adversative conjunctions. Although, either, but, nevertheless, however, whereas. So we have this disjunctive disjunctive conjunctions, these conjunctions express a choice between two alternative statement. Alternative statements के लिए हम ये conjunction यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है. Alternative sentences के लिए मुतबादिल जो होते हैं. He is not mad, nor does he pretend to. ये वो ना तो दीवाना ना ही ऐसा दिखावा करता है. We didn't study yet we passed the exam. हम मुताला नहीं किया था, हमने मुताला नहीं किया इसलिए हमने इम्तिहान पास कर लिया. फिर भी हमने इम्तिहान पास कर लिया. Okay, elative conjunctions, these conjunctions express an interference as like further, furthermore, therefore, so, that, as. These kinds of conjunctions are called elative conjunction. He will be rewarded for he is trustworthy. यानी वो भरोसे के काबिल था इसलिए उसको इनाम मिला. The court has given its verdict, therefore we must accept it. We have subordinal conjunctions and there are the types of it. There are 7 types. Subordinal conjunctions join the depend clauses. Depend clauses को convey करती हैं, full meaning करने के लिए उनको हमने इकट्ठा करते हैं, तो उसको हम subordinal conjunctions कहते हैं. उसके आगे types बताई हुई हैं, cause and reason. जब cause और reason हो तो हम उसके लिए ये वाले words use करते हैं, like as, because, since, as. Like he may enter as he is afraid. She will get a promotion because she has proved her efficiency. उसके बाद conditions आ जाती हैं. जब conditions apply करते हैं तो फिर हम ये इस किस्म के conjunctions use करते हैं. If, unless, whether, as. Like I will go abroad if I get a job. कि अगर मुझे नौकरी मिल गई तो मैं बैरून मुल्क जाऊँगा. They want to help you unless you tell them the truth. Okay, उसके बाद है concessions. Concessions यूज़ की जाती हैं express condition between two dependent clauses as though, although. He works hard though he is weak. यानी अगरचे मगर उसने मेहनत की मगर वो सख्त मेहनत की लेकिन वो कमज़ोर है. He is always, she always neatly dressed although she is poor. After that, comparison. Comparison means to compare two things or to compare the two nouns. Shows the comparison between two dependent clauses. That is called comparison. Like he is clever than I. वो मुझसे बहुत चलाक है. I like him better than you. Consequence. These conjunction express consequences or result between depend clauses. Like he is so weak that he could hardly stand. She ate so much that she fell ill. Purpose. The conjunction express purpose of joining towards dependent clauses. ये सब dependent clauses के लिए depend classes की types होती हैं, ठीक है. Purpose. After that we have time. Shows that between two dependent clauses as though, before, after, till. These are the example of it. So let's have to solve the MCQs of conjunction. That is difficult part of speech. He is honest that everyone trusts her. If, so, when, though. What is the right answer? So. Write this down dash you forget. Or when, less, unless, less. I am afraid of height dash I appreciate the view from the top of this building. And nor, but, yet magar. Do you like chocolates dash vanilla ice cream better? Two alternative things that then we use or. Okay, after that we have types. There is dash, sorry, these are also conjunction. Dash flowers dash trees grows during warm weather. Not only but also, both and not but and or not. The right answer is both and. There are some exercises more about the conjunction. We could not get a seat dash you come early. As, though, when, or. यानी कि अगर आप जल्दी नहीं आएंगे तो हमें सीटें नहीं मिलेंगी. Pay attention to your work dash you will not make mistake. So that we are leaving on Wednesday dash it rain or not. If, though, whenever, whether. Okay, after that we have interjection. That is very interesting and students enjoy it a lot. I know conjunction is difficult to understand. If you will recall it again and again, and after that you will find some videos relative to conjunction from your YouTube. Then you will make it clear. So what is interjection? Express strong feelings. There are like oh, hello, hurrah. These are all the different types of interjection. When we express our feeling like how wonderful, kya ajuba hai, खुश आमदीद, welcome, and that is the exclamation mark, that is called exclamation mark. Classification of interjection is amusement. When we express our happiness, then we use these words ha ha ha, well done. And when we want approval, then we say bravo, well done guys, you perform very well, etc. These words are used for the approval. Address is used for to express address and to connect with the other. Then we use the address like hello, hi. When we got the attention, we say hurrah, we won the match, lo and behold, ready steady go. When we arrange a race. After that, contempt is you interaction express contempt or a ridicule, like जब हम किसी को छेड़ते हैं तो हम ये वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. या फिर मतलब कॉन्टेम्प्ट के लिए इंटरजेक्शन एक्सप्रेस कॉन्टेम्प्ट, रिडिक्यूल. पूट, टैड, डाउट, हम डाउट इज देयर इज एग्जांपल ऑफ hummed. When we have a doubt, we use this kind of word. We use a lot of word in Urdu and our mostly students use Punjabi, so they express their feelings with these with that kind of words like oh ha hai, वगैरह वगैरह, एक्सेट्रा. ऑथ मीन्स कसम लेना किसी से, ठीक है. इंट्रोडक्शन ऑथ बाय अल्लाह, जब हम कहते हैं ना, जैसे हम कहते हैं अल्लाह की कसम मैंने नहीं किया, बाय गॉड. ओके, तो इसके ऑथ लेने, ऑथ का मतलब होता है कसम खाना. ऑथ के लिए हम कौन से इंट्रोडक्शन यूज़ करते हैं? बाय गॉड, गुड हेवन. ऑर्डर्स के लिए क्विक, गो, ग्रीफ के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं ओ नो, लॉस, आवर टीम हैज़ लॉस्ट अ मैच. जॉय के लिए हुर्रा, याहू. और रीप्रूफ के लिए फाइल, शेम, ठीक है. सरप्राइज के लिए गुड हेवन, होलो. ये सब हम पे डिपेंड करते हैं कि हमने इनमें से कौन सा एक्सप्रेस करना, बिकॉज इट इज़ इंटरजेक्शन ऑलवेज यूज फॉर द प्रेजेंट एक्सप्रेशन, यानी जो हमारा प्रेजेंट एक्सप्रेशन क्या है और उसके लिए हमारे तरफ से कौन सा वर्ड निकला है हमारे मुंह से, डैट इज़ कॉल्ड इंटरजेक्शन. लाइक हमारे जो बड़े बुजुर्ग होते हैं उनको पता चले कि फ़लाने की डेथ हो गई है, तो फिर वो कहते हैं हो हाय हले तो चंगा भला सी उन्हों की होया है. इस तरह से कहते हैं ना, वो जो हा है ना, डेट इज़ आल्सो द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन एंड डेट इज़ कॉल्ड इंटरजेक्शन. Okay, is that clear now? Or there are some types that I have discussed with you, that you can use these types of interjection in your daily routine, and you are already used it.